In this video, I will show you how to add an anchor link scroll to a custom part of the page or blog post in your Wix site. To start, let's create a blog post. For this example, I will create a table of contents at the top of the post and link it to the sections below. Let's link these one by one. Highlight the text and click on the chain icon. Select Section. When you create a blog post, Wix automatically generates a section of the page to link to. The page has a similar process. Let's open a page. For this one, I will create a new section and then add a link at the top which scrolls down to this section. Now that I've added the new section, let's add an anchor above this. Let's name it Footer CTA. And finally, add a link to text for this anchor.